Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of shipping container homes. Yeah, you heard that right, those big metal boxes that travel the world on cargo ships. Turns out they make surprisingly awesome homes. We're talking stylish, eco-friendly, and way cooler than your average four walls. So buckle up because we're about to take you on a world tour of the 9 most beautiful shipping container homes. Get ready to be amazed. First up, we're heading to the rugged coastline where the land meets the sea in a dramatic showdown of epic proportions. The waves crash against the rocks with a force that reminds you of nature's raw power, creating a mesmerizing and almost hypnotic scene. It's a place where you can feel the energy of the ocean and the solidity of the earth in perfect harmony. Perched precariously on a cliff, overlooking the vast expanse of the ocean, is our first contender, the Cliffside Retreat. This unique home stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the desire to live on the edge, quite literally. The view from here is nothing short of breathtaking, offering an uninterrupted panorama of the endless blue sea. This ain't your grandma's beach shack, people. This is a modern marvel, a contemporary coastal home that redefines what it means to live by the sea. With its sleek lines and innovative design, it stands out as a beacon of modern architecture. This home is all about modern design with a touch of rustic charm. The blend of sleek contemporary elements with rustic natural materials creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that feels both luxurious and grounded. It's a perfect balance that makes you feel at home while still being in awe of the design. Imagine waking up to the sound of crashing waves, sipping your coffee on your private deck that seems to hang over the edge of the world. The deck offers a serene spot to start your day, with the ocean stretching out before you as far as the eye can see. It's a daily reminder of the beauty and vastness of nature. The interior is all about clean lines, open spaces, and floor-to-ceiling windows that let the ocean views take center stage. The open floor plan creates a seamless flow between the indoor and outdoor spaces, making the most of the stunning surroundings. It's a design that invites you to relax and take in the beauty of the natural world. It's the kind of place that makes you want to ditch the city life, trade your suit for a wetsuit, and spend your days surfing and exploring hidden coves. The coastal lifestyle here is all about adventure and connection with nature, offering endless opportunities for outdoor activities and exploration. But hey, even if you're not a surfer dude, you can still appreciate the ingenuity and beauty of this shipping container masterpiece. The use of shipping containers in the design is not only innovative, but also environmentally friendly, making it a sustainable choice for modern living. It's a home that combines style, functionality, and a deep respect for the environment. Okay, so maybe cliffside living isn't your thing. Not everyone is cut out for the serene, isolated life by the sea or on a mountain ledge. Maybe you're more of a city dweller, someone who thrives on the energy of the urban jungle. The constant buzz of activity, the lights, the sounds, the people, it's all part of what makes city life so exhilarating. Well, fear not, my friend, because our next stop is right up your alley. If the city is where you feel most alive, then you're going to love what we have in store. Smack dab in the middle of a bustling metropolis, surrounded by towering skyscrapers and the constant hum of city life, we find the Urban Oasis. It's a unique blend of modern living and sustainable design right in the heart of the city. This home is a testament to the fact that you can find peace and tranquility even in the most chaotic of environments. Imagine coming home after a long day and stepping into your own personal sanctuary. From the street, it might just look like a stack of shipping containers, but step inside and you'll discover a world of minimalist design, sustainable living, and rooftop gardens that would make any botanist green with envy. The clever use of space and light makes it feel much larger than it actually is. The Urban Oasis proves that you don't need a sprawling backyard to connect with nature. With a rooftop garden, you can grow your own vegetables, herbs, and flowers right in the middle of the city. You just need a little creativity and a whole lot of style. Every corner of this home has been thoughtfully designed to maximize space and functionality without sacrificing aesthetics. It's a perfect example of how urban living can be both stylish and sustainable. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to crank up the heat and venture into the heart of the desert. Now you might be thinking, shipping containers in the desert? Are you nuts? But trust me on this one. The Desert Mirage is a sight to behold. This home is all about embracing the harsh beauty of its surroundings while utilizing innovative design and sustainable technology to create a comfortable and stylish living space. Think solar panels soaking up the desert sun, rainwater harvesting systems, and recycled materials used throughout the construction. The interior is a cool oasis, a welcome respite from the scorching heat outside. It's amazing what you can do with a few shipping containers, some ingenuity, and a whole lot of sunscreen. Chapter 4. The Forest Hideaway. Alright, let's switch gears and head deep into the woods, where the air is fresh and crisp, the trees tower overhead, creating a natural canopy, and the only sounds you hear are the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves in the gentle breeze. Nestled among the trees, almost camouflaged by the surrounding forest, is the Forest Hideaway, a sanctuary for those seeking solace. This home is all about embracing the tranquility of nature, blending seamlessly with its surroundings to create a peaceful and secluded retreat. It's a place where the modern world feels miles away. Imagine waking up to the sound of birdsong, the first light of dawn filtering through the trees, sipping your coffee on your deck as deer graze peacefully nearby, undisturbed by your presence. The interior is all about natural materials, warm colors, and a design that invites the outside in. Large windows blur the lines between inside and outside, offering stunning views of the forest from every room. It's the kind of place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, leaving behind the noise and stress. Here you can reconnect with yourself and the natural world, finding peace and inspiration in the simplicity and beauty of your surroundings. Whether you're reading a book, meditating, or simply taking a walk among the trees, the Forest Hideaway offers a unique opportunity to recharge and rejuvenate. Chapter 5. The Beachfront Beauty. Okay, let's be honest, who doesn't love a good beach house? The sound of the waves, the smell of salt air, the feeling of sand between your toes. It's pure bliss. And what could be better than a beach house? How about a beachfront beauty made entirely out of shipping containers? This home is all about open-plan living, with large windows that offer panoramic views of the ocean. Imagine waking up to the sunrise over the water, spending your days lounging on the deck and falling asleep to the sound of the waves crashing on the shore. The interior is bright and airy, with a relaxed, beachy vibe. It's the kind of place where you can kick off your shoes, put on your swimsuit, and just let all your worries melt away. Chapter 6. The Mountain Lodge. For our next stop, we're trading in our flip-flops for hiking boots and heading for the hills. High up in the mountains, surrounded by towering peaks and breathtaking views, we find the Mountain Lodge. This home is all about rugged charm and cozy comfort, the perfect escape for those who love to breathe in the fresh mountain air and feel the wind in their hair. Imagine waking up to a blanket of snow outside your window, sipping hot cocoa by the fireplace, and spending your days hiking, skiing, or just relaxing in the great outdoors. The interior is all about warm wood, stone accents, and cozy furnishings that make you want to curl up with a good book and a cup of tea. Okay, let's be real, there's something magical about being near water. The gentle lapping of the waves, the reflections of the sky and clouds on the surface, the feeling of peace and tranquility that washes over you. It's no wonder that people are drawn to lakeside living. And what better way to experience the beauty of a lake than from the comfort of your own shipping container home? The Lakeside Haven is all about maximizing the stunning views, with large glass walls that seem to disappear, blurring the lines between inside and outside. Imagine waking up to the sun rising over the lake, spending your days swimming, fishing, or kayaking, and ending your evenings with a barbecue on your private deck. Alright folks, get ready to rub shoulders with the rich and famous because our next stop is a celebrity crib that's sure to make your jaw drop. Owned by a famous actor who shall remain nameless, but let's just say he's known for his action roles and charming smile, this home is the epitome of luxury and style. We're talking high-end finishes, state-of-the-art technology, and a design aesthetic that's both modern and inviting. Imagine lounging by the infinity pool, working out in your private gym, and screening the latest blockbuster in your home theater. Hey, if you're gonna live in a shipping container, you might as well do it in style, right? Last but not least, we're ending our tour with a home that's near and dear to my heart. The eco-warrior's dream is a shining example of sustainable living, proving that you can have a beautiful and comfortable home without harming the planet. This home is all about minimizing its environmental impact, with features like rainwater harvesting, green roofs, solar panels, and energy-efficient appliances. But it's not all about practicality. The eco-warrior's dream is also stylish and inviting, with a design that's both modern and in harmony with nature. It's the kind of home that inspires you to live a more conscious and sustainable lifestyle. And there you have it, folks. The 9 most beautiful shipping container homes from around the world. From Cliffside Retreats to Urban Oases, these homes prove that you can live large in a small space. So which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and living small.